Hi guys, welcome back to my beauty. This is Cece bringing you another video. So we're doing pumpkin again. So remember we did the pumpkin spice pancakes last video. So I had a lot of, don't look at me like that. So I had a lot of pumpkin left over. So today we're going to make a pumpkin face mask. Yay, I never remember what we're making.
Okay.
Shut up. So we're going to start off with, of course, pumpkin. You don't need a lot, so...
Pumpkin. Oh, okay. That's what that is.
Okay, so pumpkin... Are you staying close?
Oh.
So maybe you see the pumpkin?
That's pumpkin.
Okay, pumpkin contains vitamins A, C, and E, and helps fight against acne and eliminates redness. So that's what that's good for. Alright?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, next we have honey. Y'all know I love using honey. And honey, y'all know I've said it before, it's a natural humectant, and it helps your skin with this collagen and moisture and all of that, and it also reduces acne scars.
Oh.
Or it helps. It doesn't say it's going to reduce it, but it helps. All right. And we have sweet almond oil. And sweet almond oil, that also helps reduce what?
Sweet almond oil. Okay.
That also helps reduce the appearance of scars, and it also has emollient properties to help improve your skin complexion. So we're going to use that. And last but not least, we have
You're weird.
cinnamon, because we have cinnamon leaf essential oil.
Focus on it.
So cinnamon leaf oil helps stimulate circulation and improves your mood. So basically kind of helps you get out of a depressive state if you're feeling a little low that day. And it also helps your skin retain moisture. So, yep, that's all we're using today.
Oh my.
Oh my. So real quick, just the pumpkin. And you're going to take the honey. Real simple. And the almond oil. And the cinnamon leaf. Now, as I've said before, you can't be using too much of this essential oil on your skin or you're gonna, irritate it. So stir that all up.
I like that sound.
I know you do. Shut up. It smells yummy. It smells like a pumpkin pie once you add the cinnamon in. So you're just gonna put this on your face and you're gonna let it sit for about 15 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes, however long you feel like leaving it on your face. And then you're just gonna wipe it off like any other mask and your skin should be like soft and smooth. And that's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.